In today's video, I'm going to show you VEVOR Train Horn Kit review, the loudest budget horn. The VEVOR Train Horn Kit positions itself as one of the loudest budget air horn options for vehicles in 2026, claiming an ear-splitting output around 150 decibels, which is at the top end for aftermarket horns and louder than many competitors in this price range. It typically includes 4 trumpet horns, a 12 volts compressor, an air tank often around 0.8, 1.6 gallons depending on the model, pressure gauge, solenoid, and all necessary piping, aiming to deliver a deep, attention-grabbing blast that's suitable for trucks, cars, vans, and even boats. The sound is meant to mimic a true train horn and is effective at quickly alerting other road users or pedestrians when used responsibly. In real-world reviews, users and reviewers generally agree that the horn's volume is impressive for the price, making it a standout among budget train horn kits. Some tester impressions note the horn really does roar like a freight train and dramatically exceeds stock horn loudness, which is precisely what buyers seeking a dramatic upgrade want. However, this power comes with trade-offs typical of low-cost alternatives. Multiple owners have reported concerns about build quality, especially the durability of the air compressor and occasional air leaks in fittings or hoses, which may require aftermarket fixes or replacements if you plan frequent use. These issues mean it won't necessarily outlast more premium brands over years of heavy use. Installation is described as straightforward enough with basic tools and some mechanical knowledge, though complete instructions aren't always comprehensive, so novices might spend extra time figuring it out. And because a 150 decibels horn can cause hearing damage and often isn't legal for everyday public road use in many regions, it's wise to check local laws before installing such a powerful upgrade. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.